BJP-SD Morcha Tengnoupal has taken serious note of circulating reports and rumors suggesting that some internally displaced persons, IDP beneficiaries, may be facing unofficial deductions from financial assistance meant for renovating their homes. In a statement issued by its president, Imphal, the Morcha said that while the allegations remain unverified, concerns voiced by displaced families are genuine and must be handled with sensitivity. It urged all officials involved in IDP-related work to maintain integrity and transparency, ensuring that no household is subjected to unfair practices. The Morcha also highlighted widespread complaints regarding irregular distribution of monthly allowances meant for the IDPs. Many families in Tengnoupal district have reportedly not received their entitled cash or in-kind support regularly since the time of their registration, despite these allowances being essential for daily sustenance. Stating that the funds designated for IDPs serve as lifelines for families struggling to rebuild their lives, BJP-SD Morcha appealed to the departments concerned to ensure timely and consistent delivery of all assistances. It warned that any form of deduction, delay, or obstruction, if found true, would be unacceptable and unjust. As Manipur continues its efforts towards recovery, the Morcha called on government departments, community leaders, and civil society organizations to work collectively with compassion and accountability.